I bet none of you know this game. Yeah, it's a very popular game, but this is not Grow a Garden. Yep, of course, I'm just kidding. So today, we're gonna attempting to play it, but we already have plans. Look at me. Bro, why am I bald on some games? Oh, orange tulip seed. My dogs are the goats. Well, let me see the seed shop. Well, I got 2 ember lilies somehow. Okay, finally get that. Oh, this is my ember lily, by the way. Bro! Oh, he said, can you give me fruit, please? Well, okay, fine. Bro, let me get the paper and get the paper towel. Let me double tap this. Well, bro, I cannot even get it. Where's the okay, paper towel here. Okay, and favorite it. Here, let me get that ember lily. Okay, here, bro. Don't even ask for big. Okay, fine. Right, completed. There's some cactus. I just wanna get mutations for them. So that's why, yeah. I sadly lose my strawberry, which is shock. Plus, it's very big. It costs 50,000. I'm not even kidding. 50,000 for just a single strawberry. Oh my gosh, cacao is in stock. Let me get that real quick. Can't believe it, bro. Cacao in stock. Let me plant it. Well, I got 2 cacaos, by the way. I don't know how I get them. Why those coin, bro? Can you guys? Ugh, my garden is so, it's so messy right now, bro. Excuse me. Well, let me just teleport real quick. Bro, I'm really angry right now. Okay, carrot seed. Well, I don't need that. I'm not even planting it oftenly. Just sometimes. Well, I got an aurora fruit, by the way. Here. If you don't believe me. Oh, it just came to me. Bro, this carrot. Okay, fine, I will get you. You're coming to me, by the way. I got so much apples here. Where's the cacaos? Give me some space, please. Oh my god. Dragon fruit. Don't ask me why I call it like that. Oh, bro. Oh no. Cacao seed. Real quick. Bro, I didn't even hold it. Bro, I'm freezing. Okay, finally. Watering can. Because this will take 1 year to grow. Yeah, it just took us some seconds to grow when you literally watering can it. Bro, can you give me some space? There's almost no space. Welcome to me, carrot seed. Let's see what seeds I have. Well, I got pumpkins. Wow, I didn't even know I had that much bamboo. Well, I got more bamboo than strawberry, which is pretty strange. Well, I got a coconut seed, which is oftenly in stock. I didn't know how cacao is in stock. By the way, I also got cacao in stock when I was just holding it. Let me show you how I AFK'd with that. I just holding it like this, then it restock. Then cacao is in stock. Before I has 1 cacao, but now I has 3. Well, No, don't you dare. I only got 2 billion. 2 billion is not even worth it for 1 billion. Let me check the leaderboard. Look at that. Bro, they're so rich. How did this player get 11 billion? I mean, 11 trillion. Bro, he has a candy blossom. Is this candy blossom or something? I won't have to beg for a fruit. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Hello. Huh? 0 likes. Does he even have money? Nope. He got 11 billion somehow. Using those plants? Bro, what kind of plants are those? Bro? I think he's doing some myths or something like that. Well, let me go to the gear shop. I forgot I could have used my Rico wrench. $30. Okay. Oh, basic sprinkler. Imagine a godly sprinkler. Yeah, boys. One time, a master sprinkler stock, which is extremely rare, bro. It's legendary. Bro, can you restock right now? Okay, finally, bro. Oh yeah, coconut seed. Bro, I got another one somehow. Which is the problem is oh my god, beanstalk! This is the best day ever. Well, I'm kinda pluggy. Imagine, okay, I already bought it. Somehow. Huh? Give me fruit please or box. Bro. Imagine if I can just give him the mushroom seed. Bro. Not again. I hate fruit beggars, but I will do it. Yeah, I hate you so much. I just keep my paradise petal. Oh, by the way, let me plant my beanstalk. That's a prismatic seeds. Well, I don't know how I managed to get that again. Bro, I wanna shovel those plants or even just trowel it. Do I have a trowel? Of course I have. I can't move those? Huh? Bro, why? Dragon fruit. I will have to move you, bro. Finally. More space. Plus, I can now plant the beanstalk, which is real good. I didn't know how it got stuck literally when I was recording this video. Okay. They also took 100,000 years to grow, so I'm gonna water and can those. Oh! What the? Okay. I think my beanstalk is gonna be giant because my beanstalk of my other account is almost as big as this one. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Well, it's really big, I think. But I'm gonna waste all my watering cans except for one. To put away? Are you serious right now? Let me buy real quick. What's in stock? 2 basic sprinklers. Bro, I'm way too laggy because I'm just using data right now. Okay, carrot seed. Bro, carrot seed took 100,000 centuries to grow, bro. Yep, it's the opposite. It's the opposite. Bro, it's the opposite, don't worry. I also got mushroom seeds, bro. What the freak? Just get out of this server. Don't don't beg for me. Well, I'm way too laggy. Oh my gosh. Huh. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want me to make more, then like and subscribe. Also leave some likes. And bye, bro. Stop begging!